A lot of moms who nurse their babies wonder if they're making enough milk, and this is a very valid question. It's not like you know how much they're drinking with every feeding. If you compare breastfed babies to formula-fed babies, you'd think that the amount that they drink every feeding is about the same, and it usually is. Formula-fed babies drink about 4 ounces every 4 hours, around 2 to 3 months. And you do have to consider, though, that babies who are formula-fed will generally go a little bit longer in between each feeding. So a breastfed baby may eat smaller meals, I guess you could call them, more frequently throughout the day, or may drink less ounces more frequently. It also depends on the size of the baby's tummy, how mature they are, all those sorts of things. So every baby's a little bit different, but generally speaking, those are guidelines you could go by. The best signs to know if your baby's getting enough to drink are, first of all, they should have at least 6 wet diapers a day and 3 poopy diapers. If you're seeing this, chances are things are going well, because babies are much like us. The more we drink, the more we pee. So if your baby's not getting enough to drink, you will see less wet diapers, and this is a reason to contact the doctor. Another way to tell is if your baby's gaining weight, then things are going well. And at about this age, babies should be gaining about 1 ounce a day. And if you're ever worried about their weight, call the doctor, and most doctor's offices will let you come in and weigh them without an appointment. Here's a couple of other things to consider. If your daughter's satisfied after you fed her, then chances are you're making enough, but if she's really fussy, then maybe she's not getting enough. And I would advise taking her to the doctor to make sure there's no underlying medical conditions making her fussy. One other thing, a lot of women tend to notice that after they've been breastfeeding for a while, their breasts feel smaller, even though they're making more milk. And so you can't go by breast size if you're wondering if you're making enough or not. If you have any other questions for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page and recommend us to your friends and family too. Good luck.